Chapter 18, Sloka 32. Adharmandarmamitiya, 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 Manyate tamasavrita, Manyate tamasavrita, Manyate tamasavrita, Adharmam dharmamitiya, 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 Manyate tamasavrita, Sarvarthan viparitamscha, Sarvarthan viparitamscha, Sarvarthan viparitamscha, Buddhissa parthatamasi, Buddhissa parthatamasi, Buddhissa parthatamasi, Sarvarthan viparitamscha, 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 Buddhissa parthatamasi, Adharmam dharmamitiya, Manyate tamasavrita, Sarvarthan viparitamscha, Buddhissa parthatamasi.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.